Hello everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this NVX 4-channel amplifier. And this amplifier is full range class D amplifier, 1000 RMS 4-channel. So let's see what's inside the box here. Inside the box here we have a user manual, and it tells you some of the feature of this amp, which is a compact class D. It is also water resistant, and it shows you how to connect your amp, and it tells you the wattage on each of the models. This model is the VAD10004, and the ratings for output at 2 ohms will be 250 watt times 4, so that's at 4 channel, and at 4 ohms it's 150 times 4 channel, and in bridge mode you will get 500 watt times 2, so that's 2 channels. Let's take this guy out the box. First we have some screws and an Allen key, in which you use to mount your amplifier. The Allen keys is for the terminals for your speaker and your power wires. So let's get this thing out of the package. For those of you who want to know the measurement of this amp, so on the box here it shows you A1, and A1 is from where you would mount the amplifier, and the length of that is 12.1 inches. A2 is from this part of the amp to the other end, and that's 11.2 inches. B is the width of the amp, which is from this point to this point, and that's 7.2 inches. C is the height of the amp, so from the bottom here to the top, and that's 2 inches. So looking on the amp right here, we see our frequency adjuster. We have our X over here, or I would say probably your crossover for your high pass filter, your full range, and your low pass filter. We have our gain, and then we have the input configuration, so you could set it for 4 channel or 2 channel. Okay, so we have 4 channel input right here, and we have 2 output, so you could actually use the output here to go into another amplifier. On the rear side of the amp we have our gain again, our crossover for high pass, low pass, and full range, and we have our frequency adjuster here. The frequency adjuster on each side of this amp is from 40 Hz to 500 Hz. On the next side of this amplifier we see our left and right positive and negative terminal for our speaker. We have 3 30 amp fuse, which gives you a total of 90 amp. We have our 12 volt positive for your power. We have our remote right here, and our ground. Looking at these fuse, all 3 of them add up to 90 amp. They say that this amp is 1000 watt, but my knowledge is that 10 amp is equal to 100 watt, and if 10 amp is 100 watt, I would say 90 amp would be 900 watt. So I don't know if it's because of the technology they use inside of this amp, you'll be able to get 1000 watt out of it. There is also a NVX logo up top here. I'm not sure if there is a LED light inside of it when you power this amp, but I'll put a link down in the description. So if you need to purchase this amp, you could check the link below. I purchased it from Amazon for $219 US. The build quality feels pretty sturdy. It's aluminum chassis. Based on my knowledge, the weight of this amp feels like around, I would say, 7 pounds, and the terminals for your power and ground are 4 gauge, and they look like probably oversized 4 gauge. And for your speaker terminals, the size I would say would be 10 gauge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, I want you to give it a thumbs up. Remember to share it. Also, if you haven't subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.